that so. And you put your hand around him so. You see me? And when it start video, you should have a stand itself with light and everything. Set up the thing well proper.
Fresh drop.
You get what me I say? And you just kneel down so. I like you pray. And then you just who don't start or nothing yet. And you just look up in him face, in him eye. And you say, baby, S me out. Like S-L, that word there. In the video. You just look up in him face. In the video and say, baby, S me out. And the man just goes up, back, by your jaw them. Back so with that 2 times. And just take your goes up. Push in my mouth. Hard and start tap about your face. And them that we are talking about. Cause my man not do me that, bitch. Go where I go. Move. Fucking dumb. We are do. Me no want, only way I want to take control. And my man, unless he might eat me. When me I do it to you, you're in a full control. Don't make me feel like I'm me if you control you. Don't do that. That not gonna work out. That not cute. I submit me throat to you. So me it up to you what you want to do with my throat. I test you. And you don't pass the test, me I go have you up. Me I go have you up in my heart. Me go look at you different. Me go look at you like a little pussy. Make me vomit. Make your water come out of me nose not to run out of my nose. Make me catch flu. Sick me out. Sick me out. Make me literally crawl. Girl, you should have done on the ground and crawl and I beg. And when you crawl, I go away so. You must say, eh? Come here, little dog. But you said done princess treatment right through. You just a walk you down, so I saw you up on the ground and run so. I content of me, I content creating girl. I content we are talking about, you know. Roof. You see it? Run from him. All if you don't want to run that content you do. Ball make your nose not a drain out all your nose.
Fresh drop.
Remember somebody was dead for you, all dead grand, you remember something will go on in your life will make you sad your ball. Ball pon cock. Ball. Run. Pon the ground like that. 4 foot. 2 foot. I run. You tell me say about no candy. What you tell me say? Girl. I don't mean to tell me so now to do. Girl, that me I tell me say. Sometimes some girl, you have some bad pussy like girl out there. Them not do things that me I say no, but them do certain things man cannot forget them. And nobody feel like say, you gonna say, oh me all time my man no baby girl. Probably 90% of the woman them in the world now pussy tight. You're not gonna find, you barely gonna find a girl right now we are old in a 2025, yeah. So nobody feel like say your tight was special. You know special. Me tell her, if nobody not tell her, my tight one is special. Cause mine can't tight. Me and my tight one girl over there so old tighter than my own. Tight hole is not something special to man again. Cause woman barely walk with big hole now. Me I tell her, a girl hole might smell bad or smell away, but barely walk with big hole in a 2025. And if she know her hole big, she go buy tight and tighten it.